RC Command leads the way. Nick here in the shop. We're going to do something we don't usually do, which is an unboxing. Honestly, I can't really stand unboxing videos. They take forever. And, you know, there's very few products out there that, you know, I'm the type of guy that if I need a product, I'm going to research it, I'm going to buy it. I don't need to see somebody unbox it, but I was kind of impressed with these shocks that we're going to show you. So let's get to it. So I've only found these shocks on eBay. They're from a company called RC Run, and I was really impressed with the packaging. Sent me a toolkit bag. I really like that, and you can see it comes in a nice tin case. You don't see packaging like that in America. Comes with a tool bag. Comes with some extra bags in there, some zip ties, some tweezers, and then this is for to apply the oil to the shocks. Now, also come with a bag of O-rings. And the shocks themselves are functioning reservoir shocks. They're 123 millimeter. They look remarkably like King shocks, but they are RC Run. And get them out of here. So the only thing that I'm going to have to test out here, I really hope that the RC four-wheel drive springs will work on these shocks. They should, because they look like they're the exact same design. But see, it comes with plenty of tube for the reservoirs, and the only thing that I worry about that, I want to make sure that they can attached securely to the reservoirs, because we definitely do not want that coming off as we're bouncing up the hill. You know, RC rock bouncing is pretty violent, so I am kind of concerned about them staying on there. And again, my other concern is tunability with springs. I think that it's great that we're going to be able to tune using the reservoirs. A little bit closer shot of that. So I've only seen these shocks in one other place on the internet, and I thought I'd give them a shot, so we bought a couple of sets here. We're gonna install them on a couple of builds that we've got in the works here. So I don't think that this is going to take away from running dual shocks. RC Command is we're pretty set on running dual shocks. We run one shock where pretty much the only job of the shock is to hold up the weight of the vehicle, and then the other shock is just for dampening. But I don't see us changing that anytime soon. The tunability is just too great. So we'll get these installed in a future build, and definitely let you guys know what we think. Appreciate you tuning in today. RC Command leads the way.